All right, let's do a quick temperature check here. What we have is we have well water coming in. Now well water is normally about 55 degrees here or so. I've got a little bit of water sitting in here, but it's been sitting out. It actually went through a hose, so it's going to be warmer than that. And I'll show you the temperature here, so let me take a reading. Okay, so you can see here 67 degrees. Let's dump that out, and okay, let's put some hot water in. All right. All right, so let's take the temperature of that. Okay, so it's reading 110.8. Okay, now I've taken multiple temperatures and anywhere from like 109 all the way up to 117. I hit 116 just a little while ago. Let's take one more just because we had that initial line. See if we get a little warmer. Probably. Let's see. Okay, that one's reading 112.8. Okay, so there is varying temperatures. I think if we let it run a little bit longer, we would get up to 115, 116. Oh, you know what? Let's try it one more time. We'll see. Maybe not. I did get it a little while ago, up that high. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so again, 112.3. So, you know, we're averaging, right now we're averaging, you know, 111, 112. Just a little while ago, I got 116. So again, but that's actually a little too hot for a shower right now. So I would have to add cold water, a little bit of cold water, or let it sit for a while before taking a shower. Pretty awesome. Okay, one more thing I want to show you is I've got our probe in here. So let's see what we're kicking at. Let's see. Right there, 151 degrees or so. Pretty awesome. Okay, so next I'll show you is what do we do with the water from here. Okay, so we have good initial success. We've got hot water coming out of this compost pile. It is, you know, it's really hot actually. It's hot to the touch. And in fact, it will have to cool down just a little bit, or we'll have to add cool water in order to take a shower right now. So the average shower is somewhere between 100 and 110 degrees if somebody likes a really hot shower. And we are, like I said, going to have to let that cool down just a little bit. And I think what we're doing is we're making hot water, let's call it every half hour. And what we have is a 1-inch poly pipe that is 100 feet long. And if you go online and you look at volume calculators, you will find that will hold just over 4 gallons of water in that pipe. So if we just call it 4 gallons, and if we just say it's going to take 30 minutes, just to be very conservative, 30 minutes to warm up to say 110 degrees or higher, then what we're looking at is 8 gallons of hot water every hour. 8 gallons, that's actually a lot. So 8 gallons, you know, over 10 hours, that's 80 gallons. You multiply that by 2, that's 160 gallons. We add 32 more, that's 192 gallons of hot water a day. Honestly, you'd have to work pretty hard to even use 192 gallons of hot water a day. You know, okay, unless you're being just very wasteful. I mean, that would include washing clothes and cooking and heating and showers, especially if you're taking kind of a conservative shower. When we do outdoor showers, we use 2.5 gallon containers. Okay, now even if you used 10 gallons or even 20 gallons of hot water in a shower, you can still do it with that. So this is pretty incredible, and we're hoping that that burn will go at least 90 days. I'm hoping for 120. Who knows? Maybe more, maybe a little less. We'll see. So behind me we have our seasonal outdoor shower. That's our dry compost toilet that we also use seasonally. So I'm going to show you the inside right now. Okay, so now we're going to go into our shower room, and excuse the mess. It is not cleaned up for the season, but it's just, it's an outdoor shower room. It's got some shelving where you can keep stuff on the shelves, and we have a regular shower stall in here. Okay, so we can just see, I mean, this is what it is. It's just a shower stall that we can put in out here. And then we take our container, we put it up there, and we just gravity feed shower. Okay, so it's not high pressure or anything, but it's a nice hot shower. And that is our view all summer long when we take outdoor showers. Okay, so that we enjoy that. And so what are we doing? We're saving electricity or propane, whatever it is that you use to heat water. We don't have to do any of that. We're making soil at the same time, and we're just you know, good stewardship of our resources, and just a really beneficial thing to do. It's going to help build soil because all that compost is going to be used to do that.